Welcome to the workstation. Man, I seen this video of, I believe it's called F3P. And I seen these planes that look like they were just floating. They wasn't doing but like a mile an hour, lucky. And I haven't got all my tape put on this side yet. But anyways, I thought, wow, man, I just want something that I could fly right outside my garage door. And I would love to have something that just floats around. I think the key to it really is the weight. So I took my stab at it. I used foam board. I got a 1400 kV generic motor with a little wobble, a generic Voluntex ESC out of the trainer, a little 1000 milliamp 35C battery, a little orange RX receiver. I had to throw this on there for a little nose weight. But man, I'll tell you what, this thing surprises me. It floats around. It's not as floaty and slow as the ones that I see on TV or on YouTube, but boy, it does float around. I think that part of the problem is I got too small of a prop on there. I think if I had a larger prop, I'd be able to float a little more, get a little more wind over the control surfaces. But boy, I just slapped it together too. I mean, I haven't spent any time on it, but it flew so well, I thought, hell, let me put some nice tape on it, make it look good. Let me know what you guys think in the video. Worth it. And by the way, it's 422 grams all up, and it's a 36-inch wingspan.